So I have started the recording. So our today's topic is marketing plan. Before going towards marketing plan, here we just remind ourselves with marketing that what is marketing and why we need planning in marketing. In the process of marketing, library and information sources. Okay? Marketing is an important tool to promote library and their services to users. Okay? What marketing is? Marketing is an important tool for what? For promoting the library and their services to users. What is the aim of a library? The aim of a library is to provide services to the users. And in marketing, the subject marketing or concept of marketing and its importance of marketing is in libraries to promote the libraries and their services for what? For users, to provide the services to the users in a better way. Why we adopt marketing in library and information services, or why do we market library and information services and sources? The purpose behind marketing the library information sources is to provide the users with better services. Okay, to inform the users about the services and sources we have in a library, and we are ready to provide them to the users. Okay, and developing an effective marketing plan can be daunting for individuals new to the task. ठीक है, मार्केटिंग प्लान क्या है? मार्केटिंग प्लान, developing the marketing plan is an effective टास्क. ठीक है, इसमें ये क्या है, किस चीज में हेल्प आउट करता है हमें? एक अगर हम मार्केटिंग प्लान डेवलप करते हैं तो ये हमें हेल्प आउट करता है उन लोगों को जो जिनके लिए ये टास्क न्यू होता है. ठीक है, व्हेन वी प्रिपेयर अ मार्केटिंग प्लान, इट हेल्प्स द इंडिविजुअल्स हु आर न्यू टू द टास्क, हु आर न्यू इन द मार्केटिंग. ठीक है, who are new to the task or who are assigned the task to market the library and information sources. And the individuals who are new, they can get help from marketing plan. That is why we make the marketing plan. It is the introduction. Now we go forward. Then what is marketing plan? Okay, it is a crucial step in marketing success. Okay, when we start marketing library information sources and services, the marketing plan is needed, and it is a crucial step. Okay, it is an initial step in marketing to make it the process of marketing successful. For making the process of marketing successful, it is very necessary to make a market plan. Okay, are you all understanding? There is need to give explanation in Urdu as well. आर यू लिसनिंग टू मी? उर्दू में एक्सप्लेन करना जरूरी है या फिर सबको समझ आ रही है?
मैम समझ में आ रही है.
चलिए ठीक है. The second point is it is served as a roadmap for all the staff working in the library. At first, what we say, marketing plan is an initial step in marketing and making the process of marketing successful. At the second step, we can say that it is a roadmap for all the staff who are working in the library and who are working for marketing the library sources and services. ठीक है, because we are specifically discussing the marketing plan, so we can say that marketing plan is a guideline, a roadmap for the staff who is responsible for marketing or who is assigned with the task to market the library resources and services. ठीक है, a strategic document that will identify market position, status and objectives. Marketing plan is a document. ठीक है, marketing plan must be written on a document on it should be recorded, it should not be only a verbal thing. ठीक है, marketing plan जो होगा वो लाजमी है कि किसी written form में हो. ठीक है, so it is a strategic document. We can say the marketing plan document as a strategic document that will identify, that will tell that what is the market position, What is the status and what are the objectives of marketing, library and information sources? Okay. Marketing plan should be framed as an operational objective within the library strategic plan. When the overall library strategic planning is done and the library strategic plan is made, marketing should be an operational objective of that overall marketing strategic plan, overall library strategic plan. ठीक है, मार्केटिंग प्लान जो है ये एक ओवरऑल लाइब्रेरी का जो स्ट्रेटेजिक प्लान बनता है उसका एक अहम और ऑपरेशनल ऑब्जेक्टिव होना चाहिए कि मार्केटिंग प्लानिंग की जाए. ठीक है, मार्केटिंग प्लान इज एन इंफॉर्मेशन सर्विस टू बी इफेक्टिवली include staff training. What should be included in marketing plan? It should be include the staff training should be included in marketing plan. ठीक है, through workshop, how those trainings can be gotten. Those trainings should be gotten by providing the workshop, market research and focus group, etc. ठीक है, plan must be flexible because unexpected changes can always be arise. Any plan, not only the marketing plan, but each and every plan in any field, in any walk of life, should be flexible to accompany, to uh, give the space for the future changes. Okay? Because all the fields and all the theories and all the researches keep on changing with the time, and the plan should also be flexible so that we can adjust the changes which arise with the passage of time in any field. If there is any problem in understanding English, I will also explain in Urdu at the end. Okay, so please don't worry about it. So the next point is marketing plan may be prepared for the specific product or services as well as for the library and information center as a whole. What area or which kind of marketing plan could be? It could be for a specific area or for a specific kind of product. For suppose you can market only the books in the library, or only the periodicals in the library, or only the audiovisual material, or any kind of document marketing can be done, or marketing plan can be made for any specific product, or overall services and library sources and services of a library can also be marketed as a whole. ठीक है, आप मार्केटिंग किसी एक खास प्रोडक्ट की, लाइब्रेरी में मौजूद किसी एक खास प्रोडक्ट की भी मार्केटिंग कर सकते हैं, और उसके साथ साथ आप ओवरऑल लाइब्रेरी की सर्विसेज और जो आपके पास रिसोर्सेज हैं लाइब्रेरी में, लाइब्रेरी इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर कोई भी है, उसको ओवरऑल भी आप मार्केट कर सकते हैं और उसके लिए प्लान प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, तो प्लान एक स्पेसिफिक प्रोडक्ट की मार्केटिंग के लिए भी बनाया जा सकता है, और ओवरऑल लाइब्रेरी की सोर्सेज एंड सर्विसेज को मार्केट करने के लिए भी लाइब्रेरी प्लान बनाया जा सकता है, मार्केटिंग प्लान बनाया जा सकता है. ठीक है, the plan helps the librarian and information manager to answer the following broad questions. Okay, so why a plan is needed and which kind of help a plan can give to the library staff or librarian, okay, or information managers who are working in a library and managing the library activities and library operations. Here we are going to which kind of question a library plan can answer. The one is, what is the current situation regarding the library and information center, the product or the services? When we make a marketing plan, we can get answer of the question that what is current situation. We can know, we can identify that what is current situation of library and information center, its products and services. Okay, what is the first thing that we can identify after making the plan for marketing? It is to know the current situation of library and information center, the product and also its services. What is the second thing which we can identify by making a marketing plan is where should the information center or product or services be in the next year? and so on. When we make a live marketing plan, we can identify first that what is the current situation of an institute or an information center and its products and services, and then secondly, we can get help in deciding that what place should be for the center or its products and services in the next year and so on. If the plan is being made for 5 years, for 10 years, it depends on it, and we can decide and we can get help from marketing plan that what should be the position of uh, all the products and services, and what should be the condition of providing library and information services to the user, and which way can be adopted for providing information sources and services to the users, and how these all products and services and our overall library can be marketed in the future. Which areas of the library should get more focus, which areas should be marketed in the next coming year, which areas are needed to be changed the strategy regarding marketing and etc. ठीक है, तो यहाँ तक हमने पढ़ा कि मार्केटिंग प्लान क्या होना चाहिए, कैसा हो, ठीक है। उसके बाद अब हम जा रहे हैं गोल्स की तरफ कि मार्केटिंग के गोल्स क्या होंगे।
यस मैम।
मार्केटिंग का जो प्लान है उसके गोल्स क्या होने चाहिए, विच शुड बी द गोल्स ऑफ मार्केटिंग प्लान। The first goal of marketing plan should be to ensure that the limited resources of any library is focused on meeting the real needs of their users in the most effective manner. What we study again and again, and I tell you again and again about the library and its services and what is the purpose of library and its services. The main focus is on user needs, on satisfying the user needs, on fulfilling the user needs. So the first goal of marketing plan should also be on meeting the real needs of user with its limited sources in an effective way. Okay? In an effective way. Remember it. What should be the goal of marketing plan? It should be focused on meeting the real needs of the users with the limited sources in an effective way. It is the primary goal of marketing plan. Overall library strategic plan and also of marketing plan in a specific manner. Okay? The second should be their needs will change over the time, and thus the marketing plan too will need to be a live document to respond to ever changing user needs, which we studied and discussed previously that the user needs or anything or any field of knowledge is supposed to be changed with the passage of time. So the marketing plan should also be, and the marketing plan document should also be the flexible so that we can change it with the passage of time and to accomplish the changes etc. ठीक है, उसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं to develop a careful plan so that we will easily predict the user needs. Plan should be careful and it should give help in identifying or in predicting the user needs. Okay, with the help of marketing plan, we can also identify the existing needs or the current needs of the users. Okay, and it also should help in predicting. Okay, हमें ये मार्केटिंग प्लान इस चीज में भी हेल्प करना चाहिए कि हम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकें कि हमारे यूजर की इन फ्यूचर क्या नीड्स हो सकती हैं। एक तो यूजर हमारे पास नीड लेके आ रहा है, वो हमें बता रहा है कि उसकी नीड क्या है, तो हम उसको आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं। इसके साथ साथ लाइब्रेरी का मार्केटिंग प्लान हमें ये इस चीज में भी हेल्प आउट करना चाहिए इसको कि हम प्रिडिक्ट भी कर सकें कि इन फ्यूचर हमारे यूजर की नीड्स क्या हो सकती हैं। ठीक है, नाउ After identifying the goals of marketing plan, now we have to know that how to develop marketing plan. ठीक है, हमने क्या पढ़ा, मार्केटिंग प्लान क्या है, और फिर हमने गोल्स पढ़े, उसके बाद हम अब क्या पढ़ रहे हैं, हाउ टू डेवलप मार्केटिंग प्लान. Developing a marketing plan is to analyze, ठीक है, what is developing a marketing plan? It is a process to analyze the current performance of library information center. ठीक है, why we develop a marketing plan? We develop a marketing plan to analyze the current performance of library and information centers. Okay, then the second thing is conduct marketing audit. The second step is in developing marketing plan is to conduct a marketing audit. We have to audit the marketing. Okay, this step include, what is included in this step? It is included identification of marketing goals of parent organization. For conducting the marketing audit, we need to identify the marketing goals and objectives of the parent organization. ठीक है, we have to identify that what are the goals and objectives of parent organization. Okay, then the second is to analysis of the market and consumer behavior. What the next thing is which we have to analyze is that we have to analyze the market, and also we have to analyze that what is consumer behavior in the market, how consumer reacts in response to the different services and products. Okay, the third thing is analysis of competition. We also have to analyze that what is the level of competition in the market, what the other institutions and centers are doing, and at which point there is a tough competition with other institutions or with other libraries or within the library with other services or products. Okay, number 4 is analysis of internal environment. We also have to analyze and make an analysis of internal environment. What is the internal environment of an information center and overall marketing division and etc. Number 3, these were the points of marketing audit. Why we do marketing audit. Now we are coming to third point. Findings of audit are used when we conduct a marketing audit. Those findings can be used in this step to decide the strategic direction for the library information center. What when we conduct a marketing audit, we can get some findings. Okay, and those findings of audit can be used in deciding that what should be the strategic direction for the library and information center. Okay, then development of marketing strategy. हम इसके लिए डायरेक्शंस का हम एक डिसाइड कर लेते हैं कि which should be the strategic direction of the library information center. Then it helps in development of marketing strategy. Overall marketing strategy बनाने में, प्रिपेयर करने में हमें हेल्प आउट करता है मार्केटिंग प्लान और ऑडिट. फिर है डिटेल्ड मार्केटिंग प्लान इज देन प्रिपेयर्ड. आफ्टर दिस, ठीक है, हमने क्या क्या पढ़ा, हमने पढ़ा कि डेवलपिंग मार्केटिंग प्लान इज टू एनालाइज. हमने करंट परफॉर्मेंस को आइडेंटिफाई किया मार्केटिंग लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर की. फिर हमने मार्केटिंग ऑडिट कंडक्ट करने के बारे में पढ़ा कि मार्केटिंग, फिर उसकी हमने डिटेल पढ़ी कि मार्केटिंग ऑडिट क्यों कंडक्ट किया जाए, कौन कौन सी चीज़ों को एनालाइज करना है, कौन कौन से एनालिसिस करने हैं विद द हेल्प ऑफ मार्केटिंग ऑडिट. जब वो एनालिसिस हम कर लेते हैं जिसमें और पेरेंट ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के गोल क्या है उसको एनालाइज करना, ठीक है, उसका एनालिसिस करना, देन कंज्यूमर बिहेवियर का एनालिसिस करना, देन कंपटीशन का एनालिसिस करना, उसके बाद इंटरनल एनवायरनमेंट एनालिसिस करना. इन सब फाइंडिंग्स की हेल्प से लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर के डायरेक्शन में स्ट्रेटेजिक डायरेक्शन डिसाइड करने में हेल्प मिलती है, वो की जाती है। उसके बाद क्या किया जाता है, एक मार्केटिंग स्ट्रेटेजी बनाई जाती है, देन डिटेल्ड मार्केटिंग प्लान इज प्रिपेयर्ड। उसके बाद डिटेल मार्केटिंग प्लान प्रिपेयर किया जाता है, देन इम्प्लीमेंटेशन एंड कंट्रोलिंग। व्हेन audit is conducted, with the help of audit, strategic direction of the library information center is decided, then marketing strategy is developed and a marketing plan is prepared. Now marketing plan has been prepared. Now what it is time to implement that plan. Okay, and when we implement any plan, there comes some situations and those situations should be controlled. So now it's time to not only the implement the marketing plan which has been prepared, but also controlling the situation after implementing overall marketing plan. So at the end, so marketing plan should be presented effectively. What should be marketing plan should be presented effectively. It should be an effective step. It should be an effective activity. A better understanding of these steps will be attained if we examine them in the context of library and information center. हमने जितने भी स्टेप पढ़े, अगर इनको हम कॉन्टेक्स्ट देखेंगे लाइब्रेरी इंफॉर्मेशन सेंटर के, तभी हम इसकी बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग ले पाएंगे जितने भी हमने स्टेप्स पढ़े। ओके,